You know, like I actually wanted the intro to be something spicy, maybe me eating Indomie or something, but like Indomie did not pay me for advertisement, so today we're going to be doing something really fun. We're going to be using our Indomie Carton to be making a frame with Ankara. I mean, like, how crazy is that? Like, I was just sitting in my house, and then you know that feeling when you're in your house, like in your sitting room or somewhere, and then you're just like, I think this house needs something. That was literally what was on my mind. I was just like, okay, this house needs something, so boom, now you have this video. So if you know you want your house to also look all beautiful and artistic and Africanish and yeah, then this video is for you. Okay, so please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you've not. Do not forget to comment below, like tell me what you want to see. Tell me, I don't know, if you want to continue seeing the DIYs or if you want to start seeing vlogs. PS, I have a vlog coming soon. You know, I have stuff up of my sleeves, you know, so expect a vlog soon. So let's just get straight into it. Mwah! Now we're going to be cutting the four corners of our carton with our bread knife. And we're also going to be cutting out the four sides of our carton. Now we're going to place the picture that we're trying to frame on top of the carton and trace the sides. And now we're going to cut out the traced parts.
Nothing but fire.
Now that we're done with that, we're going to use our scissors to trim the edge of our carton. So we're going to cut out 3 pieces from another carton and glue it on the carton that we're trying to use as a frame. Oops, forgot to mention that you're gluing it at the sides. Now you're only gluing it at 3 sides. Now it's time for us to glue the front of our carton frame. please make sure you iron your material. Like, you don't want your material to be looking all rumpled. Now we're going to be cutting out the material we're going to use to wrap our frame. Make sure you leave excess. So now it's time to wrap our frame. Just wrap it anyhow you feel like. The main thing is just to cover the cartons. One more thing, make sure your work is as neat as possible, okay? You don't want people to be seeing your glue or, you know, just be seeing everything looking anyhow.
I got nothing but fire.
Now it's time for us to do our stand. So take another carton entirely and fold it as a triangle. Wrap the stand. I mean, you don't want to have an Indomie carton stand. So wrap your stand with a nice material to match the frame. Now that your stand is all wrapped up, it's time for us to glue it on our frame. So our frame is ready. Guys, if you know you really enjoyed this video in as much as I did, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have behind the scenes at the end of this video. Make sure you send your frames or your artwork or whatever to Cream Fade Official and to Fade Effects. I would really love to see what you guys have done. If you have not, I mean, if you mistakenly missed when I use crayons to make a professional painting, then please click on this card upwards. So anyway guys, I just really, you know, appreciate each and every single one of you for you know, if you've watched my videos like from the first one, I think this is my 5th video, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for starting this journey with me. As I say all the time, I love you guys for always liking, for always commenting, for subscribing. Thank you so much. If you know you love this video, please make sure you tell your friends. Get this baby girl to 1,000 subscribers. I mean guys, that is literally the goal. So make sure you get me to 1,000 subscribers by telling your friends to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, and bye. And what else? I wanted to say something. Okay, I can't remember. I wait to like, you know what? I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to keep it. What is